Welcome to Canary Pet Group. Canary offers a variety of services with the convenience of multiple branches located in different emirates, so we can always be close to you. Located at the heart of Sharjah is one of our oldest Canary veterinary clinics. Our services vary from veterinary checkups and treatments to full grooming services with some of our most experienced pet care team.
Hi, I'm Dr. Maggie. Here in Canary, we do vaccinations, we do surgeries from spaying, castration to bigger surgeries. And we do also blood tests and ultrasound for your pets. We do also microscopic examinations like fecal analysis. We highly recommend that you do regular checkups for your fur babies. And we also suggest that you do a regular blood test or blood screening for them. This is to guarantee a healthier and better life for your pets.
Canary Ajman provides our boarding pet guests with the highest quality of comfort and care. Our team is highly trained to safely take care of your pets in our home, away from home. These services also come with options of training your pets. Our newest addition is our Ras Al Khaimah branch. It is currently the biggest pet care hub in the Northern Emirates. We are a fully equipped pet care center here and we offer grooming services without sedation. This is our most diverse branch as we have a variety of products even for your exotic pets.